Export to affiliate, import from network is a way organizations can easily share program logs without having to create them individually at each station. Create your main log and then send it to other stations, who can decide to take the whole log or just the parts they need, like overnights. We'll walk you through both parts of this process: how the network creates the log for the affiliate and how the affiliate imports the log from the network. In our example, Classic Rock Hits is the affiliate and Classic Rock is the network. Let's start by looking at the schedule editor in both so you can see the differences. In the network, notice the top of the hour indicator along with the network imaging. Compare that to the affiliate, which has its own legal ID at the top of the hour, as well as liners and stop sets. We'll be demonstrating the import of the network log, so what you see here in the affiliate will change. Network songs will be inserted after the process is complete. The affiliate's local imaging and stop sets will remain. In the network, start by selecting Schedule, Export, Export to Affiliates. This opens the Export to Affiliates screen. You can create as many exports as you'd like and modify them as needed. We don't have any yet, so we'll select Create. We can now name the profile something meaningful. There are 4 tabs to configure. Elements lets you determine what will be included in the file. We'll include all elements. The Categories tab lets you include the appropriate categories. Consider whether your affiliate will need or want any non-music elements. For our example, we'll leave the default. Fields will contain all the fields in your data. By default, artist, title, and runtime will be checked off. Typically, there is a common number, like an automation system number, that will match in the affiliate's data. In our data, we just need artist and title. You can check off as many fields as you'd like. The affiliate will determine whether they want to import the fields you send. The final tab, Destinations, allows you to pick a file name, prompt for it, and compress the output file. The file will be given a default name, so you don't need to do anything on this tab. We'll leave it with the defaults and just click OK. This saves the profile. Now, pick the date range you'd like to export. You can do a single day, a whole week, or any number of days you'd like. We'll pick one day. When finished, you'll see a box that will tell you the output has been saved and the specific path to the file. As the network provider, you now need to send this file to the affiliate. The network is now done with their part, so we've switched stations to the affiliate that needs to receive the file. The affiliate can import any portion of the log the network created by selecting Schedule, Import from Network. This opens the Network Import Wizard. There are multiple setup screens here, but once the process has been completed the first time, all the settings are saved. The affiliate will need to point to the location where the network file is located. We would recommend the affiliate place the file in the same folder each time. Here, you'll see the name of the network, along with what days and hours are included in the file you selected. Hours to import is where you determine what portion of the log you wish to import. You can double-click a green dot to remove it, or highlight a group of hours and delete to remove those hours. In this case, the affiliate uses the network for overnight programming, so we'll clear the other hours. Should you wish, you can time shift the log. The bigger decision you'll make is to determine what you take from the network. You have multiple options here. Each does something a little different. We'll use Yes, replace music only. This means we'll import network music, retaining local imaging and breaks. Remember, the network sent their imaging and traffic positions, but as the affiliate, we choose not to import those elements. Music Master has now calculated how many of the songs from the network file match the local data. If this is the first time you've done this, no songs will match. Each time you run this, the number will likely go down, but there will probably always be a few songs added each time you import a file from the network. This is because the network is adding songs and including them in its log. You must import the songs to create a link between any copy of the song the affiliate has and the copy the network has. This is done with the Import New Songs option. The Import Network Song screen will list all the incoming songs. The bottom will show all the fields that have been sent. These are the fields that will be updated in your affiliate data as part of the process. If you do not wish to import one of the fields, click on the line and use your delete key to remove it. To match songs, click on the option at the top. The Library Import box allows you to determine which category should be searched for matches. Generally, you'll include the entire library here. The Fields to Match is where you also indicate which field in your data matches a field in the network data. This is typically an automation number, but in our example, we'll use artist and title. After the match is done, click OK. Music Master now processes looking for matches. 67 of the 70 songs matched. We have 3 to determine a match. So we'll use Query to do that. You can see in this case the artist is AC/DC, but the only version in this data is by Wings, so this is not a match. To finish the process, we'll select Import and add the remaining song to the library. The Import New Songs button is now grayed out since there are no new songs that need to be matched. Click Next, and the program now has enough information to import your log. Click Finish. When completed, you can open the log. You can see that most of the songs were in the data, so we see the existing category. But we did add that one new song, and we added it to a category called New, and you can see that here. There are some other differences. Remember, it will retain the category in the affiliate. So you can see here, Elton John's Tiny Dancer is in category C. But here in the network data, that's in category B. Likewise, America's Sister Golden Hair is in category D in the network, but when we look at it here in the affiliate, it's in category C. Regarding the local liner elements, you can see those are still in place. Finally, we only imported the overnight hours. Scrolling down, you can see that the other hours are unscheduled. When the affiliate schedules their local log, Music Master's rules will provide protection against the network songs already scheduled. Due to this protection, it is recommended that you import the network log and then schedule your local hours. Export to affiliate, import from network is an easy way to share logs and simplify the work of scheduling the same format on multiple stations.